Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you are watching my channel. This is another segment called Cooking Made Simple. Today's recipe is called baguette egg bake. So it's something that my dear mum used to make, and we used to call it big breakfast. So it was this, and then as I will show you later, it was croissant and some eggs. So as you can see, the ingredients, we have a glass of milk, we have some potatoes, or you can, it obviously depends on how much you want to make. We have onion, 4 eggs, that is baguettes made into smaller pieces. We like cherry tomatoes, so those are my spices. Salt, pepper, turmeric, and chili flakes. So cheese as per taste, and finally spring onion. Okay, I have actually forgotten. Oh no, it's there. The potato. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to crack the eggs and make the mixture. So as you can see, viewers, the eggs are in the bowl, as are the spices. So we're going to add the milk and whisk that now. So the mixture has been prepared, viewers. So what we're going to do is put that into this baking tray here. So the mixture's in the baking tray, viewers. So what we're going to do now is to soak the baguette into that and make sure that it's fully soaked. So as you can see, viewers, the baguette is in the mixture. So what we need to do now, not do it with your hands, but I am. So we need to just press down and make sure it's soaked, and we can turn it over as well. Go on. So make sure they're soaked on both sides, viewers. Okay, and now on to the next process. So as you can see, viewers, all the baguette has now been soaked. So whilst that's being absorbed, what we're going to do is, well, I've already put the things in. So what we have in here is the chopped onions, or diced onions if you like. They are under there. And then I've chopped the potatoes, and the spring onions are here. So these are going to be softened, and it should be ready in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I haven't put any spices in, just a little bit of salt, but it's entirely up to you. If you want it spicy, then you can put spices into this as well. But because I put spices in the mixture, then I haven't put anything in. So we'll see you in 5 minutes once these have softened. So I've covered it up to sort of speed the process, but 5 minutes should do it. So 5 minutes have passed now, viewers. That has softened nicely. So what we're going to do is put this mixture into the tray and add the other ingredients as well, and then that will go into the oven for 20-25 minutes. Just missed out a little bit, but I've put in the cherry tomatoes first, viewers, as you can see, and now we're going to put this mixture and then cheese on top. So we'll put this on first and then show you. So the potatoes, the onions and the spring onions have been put on now, viewers, and finally we will add the cheese. So the cheese has been put on as the top layer, viewers, and that is now going to go into a preheated oven, and we're going to cook it at gas 5 for about 25 minutes. I've taken it out of the oven now, viewers, so there you have it, the final product. So I'll just put some into the plate and show you the breakfast that we used to have when we had a treat. That is the final product, viewers, and that is the breakfast that we used to have: croissant, boiled egg, mum's bagel bake, as we called it, and it tastes delicious. I do hope you've liked today's recipe, viewers. I hope you will try it. So that is the end of another video. I bid you farewell. I say look after yourselves, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.